If Microsoft Edge is not launching on your Windows 11 system, we have a couple of troubleshooting steps to try. First, let us attempt to open Edge with administrative privileges. You can do this by searching for Edge in the Windows search bar, then right-clicking on the Microsoft Edge application and selecting Run as Administrator. If running Edge as an administrator does not resolve the issue, we will proceed to a system file check, commonly known as an SFC scan. This is a crucial step, because the Microsoft Edge application cannot be uninstalled directly. To perform an SFC scan, open the command prompt as an administrator. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, right-click on the command prompt application, and select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window is open, type the following command, SFC:/scan now. Press Enter to begin the scan. This process will check for and attempt to repair corrupted system files that may be affecting Edge's functionality. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.